Okay, so the backward brush step is kind of a mirror image to the forward, except we don't have the toe out. In the forward we have the toe out, so it's actually an extra step. But if you look at what's happening, the brush step is we toe out and roll. So remember the eyes and the head. The eyes are controlling the head controls the body. Remember, it's intention. So when we complete one brush step to the front, we just ease off a little and look and rotate up. That's all we do in the first step. So from here, look, rotate. Now on the corner, so remember the eyes are controlling the body, so I can still see the front. So from here, I'm now, as I move my weight forward, and here's where we use our weight in our Tai Chi walking expertise. So when we move the weight forward, we don't lean, but we gradually fill and gradually empty until we come to a standing position. So we come to the standing position. So standing position, now we reach out and touch to the front. So from here, we do what we normally do. Again, we drop straight down, we hook in, and now we come down the middle. Okay? So this is using the drills that we have been working on this weekend, which is the Tai Chi walking and shifting the weight, and we're using also this drill of moving your tailbone back in and then coming down the middle. So when we come to do the backward brush step, it's pretty much it's pretty similar. So the first one we don't roll out because we are already in a straight position. So what we do is we open, step back, rotate this out. Now we drop straight here. See, we lower the back heel and drop the center of gravity over the front. And then we push back straight. Okay? So sometimes, Nancy, you drop straight back, so then you can't push with the front backward because you're already back, right? So from here, the first one, open, touch, drop straight down. My center of gravity is here now, so now I can push back. As I'm pushing back, again, if we remind ourselves of emptying and filling, what we're doing is we're filling the back and emptying the front. So eventually the front is going to want to come off. So at that point, when the front feels like it wants to come off, just look to the side and let it come off and let it roll up. And again, the only thing that we'll do is we'll just let the toe pivot and simultaneously roll the bottom hand up. So that's all we're going to do once we get to that point. Now from here, it's pretty similar. On the corner, we keep looking to the corner, rising and falling, touching. Now from here, we're going to straighten up and drop the weight down on the front, and then move back. And then from here, it'll be similar. 1, 2, 3. Okay? I'm going on to the next section. We grasp, liu, weight comes back, pulling. Now from here, so the eyes will be in this direction. Now we want the eyes to sweep in that direction. You see the weight is now back, so there's not much holding it down. So if the eyes sweep, the body will turn and the toes will pivot. And at the same time you rotate this under and push in. From here, we step back at an angle here, but then we turn the toe so the feet are parallel. Then we do our diagonal flying, and then from here we circle, come in, and